Hello, this video is designed to walk you through the Varying Interpretations Level 1 and 2 Formative, which some of you have completed, but not everyone has, so I'm going to walk you through the steps. When you open up this assignment in Google Classroom, you're going to open up this Google Doc, and you're going to cover the Level 1 and 2 criteria for the Varying Interpretations formative work that we've been doing on the Vietnam War. So, Level 1 is going to ask you to describe era-specific vocabulary, list at least 2 examples of a historic person, issue, or event, and identify at least 2 differing interpretations of a person, issue, or event from history. So you're going to come up with specific vocabulary, 2 specific terms that have to do with the Vietnam era. They can come from the article that we read. I'm going to go back quickly to Google Classroom for a moment. What was the Vietnam War about? If you open this up, you will see that there is an article here that we went over in class, but if you missed that, I would look at this article to find some of that vocabulary. Back to the assignment, you can also find 2 historic people from the Vietnam era, which you can use the article that we read, or feel free to do a Google search. And then the different interpretations is also something that we went through during class, so you want to look at that article to pull out the different interpretations. Once you have listed those interpretations, then you're identifying key points of the different interpretations. So choose 2 of them. Within the article, we talked about there were 3 specific interpretations. So you can handpick 2 of them and then talk about what were the key points of each of those interpretations. In other words, what was the evidence that the author used to support those interpretations? Lastly, and this is really where students are asked to think on their feet, in this graphic organizer, you're going to list similarities and differences between those 2 interpretations that you chose. What did they have in common, and why were they different? Feel free to email me if you have any questions, but hopefully this was able to walk you through the steps and so you have an understanding of what you need to do for this particular formative assessment. Good luck and take care.